So hello everyone, I am here to show you how to cost a recipe for different servings. But before we start, I just want to make sure that all our weight equivalency will be included in our calculation, and also the unit must always be the same before we proceed. And let's start. Before we start, this is the first recipe. So here are the portion size for one. So I'm costing for one here, and this is the price, and this is the size for the item. So let's start off with the first item, which is the arrowroot cookie. So I have 3 packs here, and in there's 2 crackers in 1 pack, as the weight equivalency says, and we'll just copy the price of $36.59 per 300 crackers, and that gives us 73 cents, and we'll just plop them in our Excel. So we basically um copying whatever we write in our in our calculation, and just plop them in here, divided by 300, close bracket. That gives us 73 cents, the same as our calculation. So next item, it's the chicken soup base. So I have 6 tablespoons, and in 1 cup there's 16 tablespoons based on our conversion of unit. And here we're using the weight equivalency of 1.5 pounds per, I mean, 2 cups. And here's our price. We'll just copy it, $18.06 per, uh, here we have to go, if you see this number, we have to multiply. So 4 multiplied by 3, that gives us 12, and this is our new number. And after calculating all of them, that gives us 42 cents, and we'll just plop in our Excel. So 6 tablespoons divided by 16 multiplied by 0.5 divided by 2, close bracket, and then the price of $18.06 divided by 12, close bracket. That gives us 42 cents as well. The same as our calculation. So for the next item, fruit cocktail, so 180, I have 180 ml, and in one, we're using the conversion here, weight equivalency, it's of 235 grams per 200 ml, and we have to go to ounces. So grams and ounces have different units, so we have to convert further. So in 1 ounce there's 30 grams. We're using hard conversion in this recipe costing, and we're just gonna follow the price, $25.32. And so here again, you see this number, we have to multiply. So 6 multiplied by 100, that gives us 600 ounces. And for the final answer, after computing all of them and canceling all the units, that gives us 30 cents. So plug them in our Excel. So 180 multiplied by 235 divided by 200 divided by 30 grams, close bracket, and then the price of $25.32 divided by 600, and close bracket. That gives us 30 cents as well. So for the next item, orange pepper, I have 11 peppers here, and we have to go 2 kilograms. So 11 peppers here, we're using the weight equivalency of in 1 pound there's 4 peppers, and we have to pounds and kilograms are different units, so we have to convert further. So there's 500 grams in 1 pound, and there's in 1 kilogram there's 1,000 grams based in our conversion of units. So we're just gonna copy again, we're just gonna copy the price, $10.99 per 1 kilogram. So after computing all of it, that gives us $15.11. So we just plop in our Excel. So 11 each, divided by 4, multiplied by 500, divided by 1000 grams, close bracket, and multiplied by the price of $10.99. Sorry, multiplied by $10.99, close bracket. That gives us $15.11. So here we have for the next item, it's the egg. So we have to go, the eggs, we have 5 each here, 5 eggs, and then the price is $11.66. So per 3.5 dozen. So we don't eggs and dozen doesn't have the same unit. So let's convert the dozen into like individual pieces. So 3.5 so we all know that in 1 dozen there's 12 pieces. So 3.5 multiplied by 12, that gives us 42 eggs. So eggs or each the same thing. So this is our new number, and that gives us $1.39 for our egg, cost of our egg. So let's plug in our Excel. Sorry. So 5 close bracket multiplied by price divided by 42 eggs close bracket, that gives us $1.39, the same as our 110 calculation. Okay, so let's move forward for the second recipe. I have the second recipe yields 30 servings, so we're doing it for 30 servings. So let's start off with the first ingredients, chopped potatoes. So I have 3 cups here, and there's 250 ml in 1 cup, and we have to do the weight equivalency of 225 grams per 180 ml. And to get into pounds, because we're looking for pounds, we have to convert further. So there's in 1 pound there's 500 grams, and we're just gonna copy again the price of $14.27 per 10 pounds, and that gives us $2.68. So let's plop in our Excel. So 3 cups multiplied by 250 divided by multiplied by 225 divided by 180 divided by 500 grams close bracket, and then the price of $14.27 divided by 10 pounds close bracket. That gives us 268 as well. So next ingredient, the lima beans. So I have 6 cups, and there's 250 ml in 1 cup again, and in 1 kilograms there's 1.8, as the weight equivalency says, 1.8 kilograms into liter. So the liter, we need ml here, so we convert the liter into milliliter. So in 1 liter there's 1000 ml. So let's put them in here. So the unit matches, so we can move forward. So and now we can just copy the price of $29.80. Again, we can see 4 multiplied by 2.2, that gives us 8.8 kilograms. And after canceling and computing all of them, that gives us $9.14 for our lima beans. Let's plop in our Excel. So 6 cups multiplied by 250 ml multiplied by 1.8 kilograms divided by 1000 milligrams close bracket, and then the price of $29.80 divided by 8.8 kilograms, and that gives us $9.14 as well. So here for the dry time, we have 5 tablespoons. So in 1 cup there's 16 tablespoons, and we have to go to grams, so we have to convert further. So there we're using the weight equivalency of 1.8 ounce in per half cup or 0.5 cup, and then ounces and grams that doesn't match, so we have to convert further. So we all know that there's 30 grams in 1 ounce, so we're using hard conversion here. And then we'll just copy the price of $13.30 per 400 grams, and that gives us $1.29 for our dry time, for the cost of dry time. So let's plug in our Excel. So 5 divided by 16 multiplied by 1.8 ounces divided by 0.5 cup multiplied by 30 grams, close bracket, and then the price of $15.30 divided by 400 grams, that gives us $1.29 as well. So for the next ingredients, we have garlic. So I have 3 cloves here. So in 1 gram, sorry, there's 80 grams. We're using the weight equivalency here. There's 12 cloves in 80 grams, so we have to convert. We need to go through pounds. So there's in 1 pound, there's 500 grams. Sorry, there's 500 grams, and we just, so the same, since they're the same unit, we can move forward. So we just copy the price of $25.24 per 5 pounds, and that gives us 20 cents. 20 cents, and let's plop in our Excel. So $3, 3 cloves multiplied by 80 divided by 12 divided by 500 grams, close bracket, multiplied by the price of $25.24 divided by 5 pounds. That gives us 20 cents as well. So for the last ingredients, we have vegetable broth. So I have 200 fluid ounces here, and we have to get to ml. So in 1 fluid ounces, there's 30 ml. Sorry, there's 30 ml, and we just copy, since this is the same unit, we have to move forward and copy the price of $3.29 per 800 ml, and that gives us $24.68 per hour cost of vegetable broth. So we're just copying in our Excel. So multiplied by 30, close bracket, multiplied by the price of $3.29 divided by 800 ml. That gives us $24.68. So to get the total cost of the ingredients, we have to auto sum. We just highlight it and then auto sum, and that gives us 37.99 cents, the same as our ingredient. And to get the percent waste, just press this total cost of ingredients multiplied by 0.08, close bracket, and that gives us $3.04. So for the total cost, just add them up together. Sorry. And just auto sum. Press auto sum, and that gives us $41.03. And for the selling price, so the cost of 8% waste multiplied by 100 divided by 40, since we have if the food cost is 40%, and close bracket, and that gives us $7.60, the same as our selling price calculation, our Microsoft. So that's how you do recipe costing for different servings. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.